I have all of these metal pipes. They are anywhere from 8 to 9 feet long. They're hollow. They're 3.5 inches in diameter. I'm working on a fence, and I'm going to use those as my poles. So I've got one pole set at the end and one at the other end with a string stretched across the two. This pole here is 12.5 feet long. It's got a solar light at the top. And the reason I made it so long is so that I could bury it 30 inches or 2.5 feet. And then I'm going to add, this is a lower portion of the property. You can see it goes up the hill. And so I'm going to put a retaining wall of IBC totes down here. And it's going to go up about 4 feet. And then a 5-foot fence on top of that, which is 9 feet, and then a little part at the top. You can see the red zip tie there. So the fence top will be about where the red zip tie is. The fence bottom will be where this zip tie is, and then a retaining wall the rest of the way, which will be hidden. The pipe will be hidden from there down, from this red tie down. So after selecting a pipe from the pile, I brought it over to the work table because they will have to be painted. I can't put them in the ground rusty, and they're not all the right length. So a nice flat surface would be this ladder, and then I could spin them and use my sander with some, I think this is 60 grit or 80 grit, and I can sand on it and turn the pipe at the same time to get the smoothness before I paint it, get all the rusty scale off. So that's the plan. You can see this scaly part here, and it's pretty rough to the touch. So now, I'm sure you'll see here that it's much smoother and ready to be painted with some rust-resistant paint. And I wanted to show you my solar lights here. These are made for a 4x4 post, but 4x4 post is actually 3.5 by 3.5. So this fits on the 3.5-inch pipe, and I've got to drill some holes in it to screw it on, as you can see. And then I use some caulking just to kind of make it waterproof. But you can see here that it comes apart, top comes off. There's a mirror and glass, and the LED light is here. When I cover the solar panel with my hand, you see the light comes on. So they charge every day and come on every night. It's pretty cool.